Now let's move on to the next level one question that we're going to be doing, and that is a where question. The where question is, again, a basic question where you're going to find your answer, be able to put your finger on it. Here are some examples of a where question. Where was Adolf Hitler born? Where does the bottlenose dolphin live? Where did football come from? Where did World War II start? Now, I will tell you, there are probably multiple questions that you could ask the where question for your topic. We are only asking for one question. Remember, you are in charge of this project. You are guiding your learning. The one thing I want to remind you that I talked about is they must all start with a capital letter. They must all end with a question mark, and your topic needs to be in your question. Every single question. You'll notice here, Adolf Hitler, bottlenose dolphin, football, World War II. You'll also notice on the proper nouns that those are also capitalized. Adolf Hitler is proper because it is someone's name. Bottlenose dolphin, not, because it's not a proper noun. Down here, football, not a proper noun. I know some of us would like to put that in capital letters, but it's not. And then World War II is a proper name of a war. So once you do that, once you decide to write your question, I'm going to come over here to my where question and my research organizer. And I'm going to, because I'm, again, doing World War II, where did World War II start? Okay, and my question mark, I did everything I was supposed to do. Again, right now I'm not worried about anything down here. So I want you to take a second. I want you to write your question. Check to make sure you have your capital letters, your question marks, and your capital letters and your topics in there. And you can pause the video here. And then when you restart this video, when you hit play again, it will be talking about how to get it into your Google site. Okay, now that we're ready to get it into the Google site, I'm going to go back over here to where my research project Google site is, and you'll notice that I'm still in the who, what question. What I want you to do is I want you to go over here to pages, and we're going to click again on level one questions, and we're going to hover, and then we're going to click on the hamburger, the triple dots that come up, and we're going to add another sub page. Okay, my new sub page is going to be where question. Okay, once I do that, I'm going to go through the same process I went through for the who, what question. I'm going to go to insert. I'm going to go to slides. And then again, since it's recent and I just finished doing it, it should be my first one. Always clarify that, make sure that it's labeled correctly. And I'm going to insert it in. And again, I always like for them to be bigger all the way across the page, since this is the only thing going on this page. I go ahead and do that. I might even make it longer. And then there we go. Now, remember, what do you have to do every single time you add something? You need to hit publish. So I'm going to come over here to publish. It's going to show me that there was not even a page there before. I'm going to go ahead and hit publish. And it's taken care of. Now, when my teacher sees it, I will be able to see this. I want to show you guys right here that you'll notice that now we have 2 under our level 1 questions. And that is what you need to do. Next, we will move on to the win.